Hi, good morning. Mike Smutok here. I saw the post on Facebook about getting parts from Fusion into Makerbot print, and some people are having issues getting it onto the printer. So I'll do the best I can. I'm at home right now. I can amend this video when I get to school on Monday. But basically, what I do is I've got my part. It's either I'm going to grab the part from the top up here, or I'm going to grab the component. I'll right click on it, and I'll choose Export. Now in Fusion, the new update, it doesn't allow you to do STL files anymore, but what it does is it allows you to use an STP or an STEP file, a step file, which is what I'm going to do. And it's going to go into my downloads folder. Make sure you're looking where that is. Go ahead and export that, and it's good. If we wanted to take a quick look at SolidWorks, the same basic idea. I'm going to go to Part, Export, and then I can choose step file, or I can choose STL in here. I'm going to choose a step, and we're going to download it. Okay, I'll receive a notification when the part is done. SolidWorks is a little bit different. There it goes. It's downloading there. So now let's hop over to Makerbot Print. So I've already got this set up for an unconnected printer, and I've just got the Makerbot method. As you can see, there's the build platform. So what I'll do is I'll come up here and I'll add the model. This is an important step. If you go right from Fusion or Onshape to try to go right into the printer, it doesn't work. It needs to go through this slicing software. So I'll grab the screwdriver holder and put that in there. And here it is. So here's my my screwdriver holder in my Makerbot print on my printer build plate there. You can move it around in here. You can also mess with a whole bunch of your print settings. For example, you can change your support material, you can change your densities and all that kind of good stuff. And let's just go ahead and add the other one as well. I don't know if this is going to fit on here. Oh, it fits good. Okay, so now I've got my Onshape. I've got to move this thing. Now I've got my Onshape part and my Fusion 360 part. And they both have come over to Makerbot Print. The important part now is you've got to slice this software. So what that means is this computer program is going to, if I choose estimates and previews, it's going to figure out all the places that the 3D printer needs to move and squirt material out to build these parts. And this might take a second or two because I've got some pretty big part there. I've got parts that require support material, so it's got to calculate and figure out where the support material goes. And once this is finished, then you can export this to your flash drive, and, or you can send it right to your machine if all of your machines are networked or connected to the computers. And here we are. It's generating the preview. You can see all the orange material will be my support, and all of the green material will be my actual model material. And it gives me kind of a halfway preview. I can go and check and look at the layers on the left side here. I can play an animation that shows what the printer is going to do as it builds this up. The important part now is this: export, and we'll call this Facebook demo. All right, it's successfully exported this Makerbot file from Makerbot Print to my flash drive. So if I hop over to the flash drive, I should find in here Facebook demo.makerbot. Okay, this file right here is what the Makerbot printer will recognize and see. So when you have this on your flash drive and you plug it into your Makerbot, it might take a moment for the printer to recognize it, but you should see Facebook demo or whatever you've named your part dot Makerbot. It has to be a dot Makerbot. If it's an STL or an STEP file, printer won't recognize it, which may be the problem. So hopefully this helps, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions or anything. I will try to amend this if we need to when I get to school on Monday. But thank you very much.